Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a world of clean lines, geometric shapes, and a sophisticated blend of nature and modern design with a contemporary garden. This style prioritizes functionality, low maintenance, and creating a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor living spaces. Key characteristics: clean lines and minimalism, straight lines, geometric shapes, and a focus on negative space define the overall aesthetic. Think rectangular planting beds, clean-edged patios, and minimal ornamentation. Materials with impact. Contemporary gardens utilize a combination of natural and modern materials. Stone pavers, sleek concrete surfaces, and architectural features like steel beams or metal planters create a sophisticated look. Wood accents can be incorporated for warmth and texture. Limited color palette. The color scheme is often restricted to neutrals like black, white, and gray. Pops of color can be introduced through vibrant foliage selections or statement pieces of outdoor furniture. Drought-tolerant plants. Plants are chosen for their low-maintenance needs and ability to thrive in drier conditions. Think ornamental grasses, cacti, succulents, and architectural plants like yuccas or agaves. Focus on texture. While color is often limited, texture plays a major role in contemporary gardens. Plants with varying foliage textures, smooth stone pavers contrasted with rough gravel, and the juxtaposition of wood and metal all add visual interest. Lighting design. Strategic use of lighting elevates the ambience in the evenings. Consider recessed lighting for pathways, spotlights for sculptural elements, and hanging pendants for a touch of modern warmth over a patio dining area. Water features. Optional water features in contemporary gardens are often minimalist and linear. Think reflecting pools with clean edges or sleek water walls that add a touch of tranquility without overwhelming the clean lines of the design. Connection to indoors. Contemporary gardens are designed to seamlessly connect your indoor living space with the outdoors. Large sliding glass doors, open floor plans, and strategically placed outdoor furniture all blur the lines between inside and out. Overall vibe. A contemporary garden is a celebration of modern design principles applied to the natural world. It offers a space that is both functional and stylish, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying the beauty of nature with a minimalist touch. A contemporary garden offers a unique blend of aesthetics, functionality, and low-maintenance living, making it a compelling choice for modern homeowners. Here are some reasons to consider this design style for your outdoor space. Clean lines and minimalism. Sophisticated appeal. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic create a sleek and sophisticated outdoor space that complements modern architecture. Spacious feel. The focus on negative space makes the garden feel larger and more open, even in smaller areas. Easy maintenance. The lack of clutter and focus on low-maintenance plants minimizes the time and effort required to keep your garden looking its best. Modern materials and design. Durable and long-lasting. Materials like stone pavers, concrete, and metal offer superior durability and require minimal upkeep compared to traditional garden elements. Visual interest. The combination of natural and modern materials creates a visually striking contrast, adding depth and character to your outdoor space. Sustainable choices. Many contemporary gardens incorporate sustainable elements like water-efficient plants and recycled materials, aligning with environmentally conscious living. Low-maintenance plants. More time to relax. Utilizing drought-tolerant plants reduces the need for frequent watering, freeing up your time for leisure and enjoyment of your garden. Year-round interest. Selecting plants with unique textures and foliage colors ensures visual interest throughout the year, even in drier climates. Reduced workload. Low-maintenance plants minimize the need for weeding, fertilizing, and constant upkeep, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your garden. Connection to the outdoors. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The focus on clean lines and connection to the indoors creates a cohesive living space that extends seamlessly into your outdoor haven. Tranquil escape. The minimalist design promotes a sense of calm and peace, providing a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Modern entertaining space. The clean lines and functional design create an ideal space for modern outdoor entertaining, allowing you to host gatherings in style. Overall, a contemporary garden offers a beautiful, functional, and low-maintenance solution for modern living. It creates a space that reflects your sophisticated style, connects you with nature, and provides a tranquil escape in the heart of your home. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream contemporary garden. Planning and assessment. 1. Measure and assess. Measure your garden space and create a detailed sketch of the area. Consider existing features like trees, patios, and any limitations they might impose on your design. 2. Define your style. Contemporary gardens encompass a range of styles, minimalist, Zen-inspired, or with pops of color. Research online resources and magazines to find examples that resonate with you. Create a mood board to visualize your desired aesthetic. 3. Budgeting. Determine your budget for hardscaping elements, patios, pathways, plants, outdoor furniture, lighting, and any water features you might include. Prioritize key features like patios, statement plants, and outdoor furniture. Design layout. 1. Embrace clean lines. Plan your layout with straight lines, geometric shapes, and a focus on negative space. Consider rectangular planting beds, clean-edged patios, and minimal ornamentation. 2. Material selection. Choose a combination of natural and modern materials. Stone pavers for patios, sleek concrete for pathways, and steel planters or architectural features like metal screens create a sophisticated look. Wood accents can be incorporated for warmth and texture. 3. Limited color palette. Plan a color scheme with a focus on neutrals like black, white, and gray. Pops of color can be introduced with vibrant foliage accents or brightly colored outdoor furniture cushions. 4. Lighting strategy. Plan for strategic use of lighting to create ambience in the evenings. Consider recessed lighting for pathways, spotlights for sculptural elements, and hanging pendants for a modern touch over a patio dining area. Planting and features. 1. Low-maintenance plants. Select drought-tolerant and low-maintenance plants. Ornamental grasses, cacti, succulents, yuccas, agaves, and other architectural plants with interesting forms are all good choices. 2. Texture over color. While color is often limited, texture plays a major role. Varying foliage textures, smooth stone pavers contrasted with gravel, and the juxtaposition of wood and metal all add visual interest. 3. Water feature. Optional if incorporating a water feature, keep it minimalist and linear. Reflecting pools with clean edges or sleek water walls add a touch of tranquility without compromising the clean lines of the design. Finishing touches. Outdoor furniture. Select comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture that complements the clean lines of your design. Rattan, sleek metal furniture, or weatherproof wood pieces all work well in a contemporary garden. Outdoor decor. Add minimalist sculptures or modern planters with pops of color for a touch of personality. Fire pit. Optional, a contemporary fire pit can be a stylish focal point and a great source of warmth for outdoor entertaining. Additional tips. Consult with a landscape designer familiar with contemporary gardens for professional guidance on design, material selection, and plant choices for your specific climate. Consider incorporating sustainable elements like rainwater harvesting systems or using recycled materials for planters or decorative features. Large potted plants can be used to define spaces or add pops of color in strategic locations. By following these steps and personalizing your design choices, you can create a stunning contemporary garden that reflects your modern style, offers a low-maintenance haven, and seamlessly connects your indoor and outdoor living spaces. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.